I'll share with you how to charge iPhone with a Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung phone of any model and I want to use your Samsung phone to charge your iPhone, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to charge your iPhone using Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and grab your iPhone USB cable. So this is my iPhone USB cable. You can see it has Type-C and the connector to your iPhone charging port. Now to charge your iPhone with your Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead, plug in the Samsung charging port Type-C to it. Then again, come to your iPhone and plug this to it as well. Then you should see that your iPhone is now charging with the Samsung phone. So this is all we have. So this is the entire USB. You see that? This is it. Now, if you go ahead, disconnect the USB from your iPhone, then your iPhone is going to stop charging. Then if you go ahead, connect it, then you should see your iPhone charging. So that's exactly how you can easily charge your iPhone with your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.